Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we bring you the latest and most reliable product reviews. Today, we're taking a look at the Women's On-the-Go Feminine Care Essentials Kit. This is a holiday gift set designed with convenience in mind, especially for those busy women who need a reliable, portable solution for their feminine care needs. Let's dive in and see how well this kit holds up in real-life situations. This Feminine Care Essentials Kit includes a variety of hygiene items, thoughtfully packed into a travel-friendly bag. It's a practical stocking stuffer or holiday gift set that covers a wide range of feminine needs, from pads to wipes, all bundled together to keep you prepared wherever you are. The kit promises to keep you feeling fresh and confident, whether you're at school, traveling, or out on errands. The products come from trusted brands known for their reliability and quality in feminine care. Now, let's get into the real-world testing. The first thing I noticed was how compact and convenient the kit is. It's small enough to fit into any bag, making it ideal for women on the go. I tested it during a busy day running errands, and it was a lifesaver when I needed to freshen up quickly. The items included are easy to use, and each piece feels well selected for its purpose. No unnecessary extras. The wipes were refreshing and did the job without being too harsh, while the pads provided comfort and security throughout the day. The only thing I would note is that the bag itself could be a little sturdier, as it felt a bit flimsy when packed with all the items. Still, it held up well enough for short trips. When it comes to the pros and cons, let's break it down. On the positive side, the kit is super portable and comes with trusted products from reputable brands. It's perfect for women who need a quick refresh on the go, whether traveling or running errands. The bag is compact, and the contents are well thought out to cater to essential feminine hygiene needs. However, the bag's durability could be improved, especially if you're planning to toss it into a larger bag frequently. The products themselves are great, but the bag could use a little more structure. So, is this kit worth the price? Considering the quality of the items and their practicality, I'd say it offers good value for money. The price reflects the convenience and peace of mind it provides. It's a practical purchase, especially if you're looking for something that helps you stay prepared for those moments when you need it most. But if you're on a tight budget, you might find similar travel kits available for less, though they may not include as high-quality brands. Let's compare it to other products on the market. There are other on-the-go feminine hygiene kits, but what sets this one apart is the mix of trusted brands and the thoughtful inclusion of a variety of essentials. Some kits are more minimal, offering only the basics, while this one seems to cover all the bases without being overly bulky. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, there are alternatives, but they might lack the same level of quality or variety. In terms of build quality, the products themselves are solid. The pads and wipes are soft and effective, while the bag could be more durable. However, if you're using it as a temporary solution for travel or to keep in your car or purse, the bag works fine, though it's not something I'd rely on for long-term use. I haven't had to interact with customer service, but based on the brands included in this kit, it's clear that they have a reputation for reliability. You can trust that they'll stand by their products if an issue arises. Overall, this kit is a solid option for anyone looking for an all-in-one solution for feminine hygiene on the go. If you're after convenience and practicality, this kit will serve you well. However, if you're looking for something more durable for long-term use, you may want to consider a different bag option or a more premium set. If you're considering alternatives, there are other travel kits available for less. But this one really shines with its carefully curated, high-quality essentials. Whether you're gifting it or getting it for yourself, it delivers on its promise of staying prepared everywhere. Thank you so much for watching today's review. If you're interested in this kit, you'll find the link in the comments box. Let me know your thoughts, or if you've used a similar kit. I'd love to hear your experiences. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another review from Beautyistic. Until next time, keep things fresh and fabulous.